Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? So guys, today I'm here to solve your major problem, which is acne marks. I know you guys have requested for this video, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this acne problem. So acne usually appears and it takes a lot of time to go off, and once it's gone it leaves you with this crazy acne marks. So I had a lot of acne marks, but it's gone now. The best thing to apply on your acne marks is turmeric. So turmeric, what it does, it gets rid of all the bacteria, and then you apply aloe vera gel. This will calm your skin. So I'm going to show you how to make this face pack. So let's start now. So guys, the first thing you'll need is turmeric. And the second thing you'll need is aloe vera gel. So guys, I'm going to mix these two ingredients. So you'll just need about half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then you add aloe vera gel. You could use fresh aloe vera gel as well. I'm going to just add this. Now mix it really well. So about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel is good enough. And you can also add sandalwood powder to this. That's optional. So guys, my face pack is ready. I'm just going to apply it on my face now. So you can apply it only on your acne marks, or if you wanted, you can apply it all over your face. So guys, I've applied the face pack. You will only need to leave this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't leave it more than that, because there's turmeric in this. Your face will become yellowish. So just wait for about 5 to 7 minutes and then you rinse it off. So guys, I washed my face now, and this is really good. You should apply this 2 to 3 times in a week. Aloe vera and turmeric is really good for your skin. And guys, if you have any more questions, any more doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And for more DIYs, for more makeup looks, and for skincare, keep watching Foxy and do subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Hi. Have you ever tried making facial cleanser at home? No, this is really simple guys. All you need is honey, aloe vera and some essential oil. So today I'm going to show you how to make this. So let's start now. So the first thing that you will need is honey, aloe vera gel, argan and rose oil. So you can make this and keep it for a day or 2 max. I'm just going to take about 1 tablespoon of honey. To this I'm going to add aloe vera gel, again 1 tablespoon, and now I'm going to add argan and rose oil. This is by Juicy Chemistry, or you can add any other nourishing oil. So I'm just going to add a few drops, about 2 to 3 drops, and I'm going to mix it really well. So this is the consistency that you will get, just like your face wash. This is like your gel based face wash. So I'm going to apply it on my face, and then you just rinse it off. Guys, if you also want to add sugar, that will act like a scrub. So you can do that as well. So once you've done that, just wait for about 5 minutes if you have time, and then you rinse it off. So you can do that every night. It's really good for your skin because it will nourish your skin, and then it will really calm your skin. And this is good if you do it before you go to sleep. So just go rinse your face off, and if you have any questions, any doubts, ask me in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So today I'm going to do a face pack, but then this thing you can drink as well, and it's really good for your skin. Any guesses? So guys, it's the apple cider vinegar, and apple cider vinegar is really good for your skin and for your body as well. You can drink it in the morning, you lose a lot of weight. It's really good for your scalp as well, because if you have dandruff, you can apply this onto your scalp. And you can also make a face pack. So today I'm going to show you Multani Mitti and apple cider face pack. And for that you will need apple cider vinegar, Multani Mitti, Aloe Vera Gel. So now we're going to mix all these ingredients together, but one warning, apple cider vinegar is very acidic and could be harmful for your skin if you apply directly. So you'll have to dilute it and then apply it onto your skin. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first we're going to take some Multani Mitti. So here I have about 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti powder, and to this I'm going to add aloe vera gel. This is from Wow Skin Science, about 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then I'm going to take about half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'm also adding water to this, about 1 tablespoon of water. So mix this really well. So this is the consistency that we're looking for, not too thick and not very thin. So I'm just going to apply it onto my face. Guys, you can also do a patch test. You can just apply it here and wait for 10 minutes and then see if you're not getting any irritation, then you can apply it onto your face. So I'm just going to apply this. So guys, I've just applied the face pack. Now you have to wait for about 15 minutes and then you rinse it off. So that's what I'm going to do now. So guys, this is how simple the face pack was. It will get rid of your acne. It will just calm your skin because I've added aloe vera and Multani Mitti. And as I told you, apple cider vinegar has so many benefits. You can apply it on your scalp. You can just have a shot in the morning to lose weight, and you can also apply it to your skin. Be careful, dilute it and then apply it. So guys, if you have any more questions, any doubts, ask me in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram, go follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And for more DIYs, for more makeup looks, follow Foxy. And if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe now. See you later. Bye.